At Silkbridge, we pride ourselves on our vision of combining British innovation with Chinese manufacturing efficiency. Founded by a British design engineer, our company is based in Guangdong Province, China. Our extensive research and development department, with decades of experience, is dedicated to developing cutting-edge electronic, innovative ODM products. From initial concept to final design, our team ensures every product meets the highest standards of innovation and functionality. Our state-of-the-art plastic injection mold facility houses over 150 advanced machines, including CNC, plastic injection, and EDM equipment. We produce high-precision molds and over 3 million plastic parts each month, both ODM and OEM, always ensuring both volume and exceptional quality. Silkbridge's fully automated PCB SMT lines feature top-tier brands, allowing us to mass-produce high-quality PCBs that are designed by our research and development department. Our assembly lines ensure your electronic products are assembled with rigorous quality control standards, providing reliability and performance in every unit. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp today and let Silkbridge bring your next project to life.